Dear friends, today we are going to discuss binomial distributions from standard distribution. Very easiest problem and also it is very important. Before we are going to proceed, so you have to give a like symbol and subscribe this video. Okay, let us take an example. 6 dice are thrown 729 times. How many times do you expect at least 3 dice to show a 5 or a 6? So please understand, my dear students, 6 die are thrown 729 times, isn't it? Not only a single die, so there are 6 dice thrown 729 times. The question, how many times do you expect? At least. At least means, what does it mean? A minimum time, isn't it? Expect at least 3 dice to show 5 or 6. So among the 6, 3 dash, okay, at least means you just take minimum 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6. Okay, if you say at most, you just take maximum will be 3. So here we are given at least, so try to understand. At least means we are going to calculate from 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? Okay, go to the solution. See the problem. The probability of getting 5 in a die 1 by 6, already we know. Similarly, the probability of getting 6, it is also 1 by 6. Since a die has 6 phases, isn't it? Numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Already we know. Therefore, the probability of getting 5 or 6, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So, our success is 1 by 3. What do you mean by Q? It is a failure. So, Q is equal to 1 minus P. It is also I think 2 by 3. So the value of P is equal to 1 by 3 and Q equal to 2 by 3. So these two things are not given in the problem itself. So using this idea, we got it, the values for P and Q, isn't it? Now here number of dice 6. Okay, the binomial distribution says P of x equal to x n c x q power n minus x q p power x. Okay, P always represent the success, Q represent the failure of the given distribution, isn't it? Okay, now P of x is equal to x. What about n? 6 is replaced by 6, 6 2 by 3, 6 minus x, 1 by 3 x. Okay, the probability of at least 3 dies showing 5 or 6. So P of x greater than or equal to 3 is equal to 3 plus equal to 4 plus equal to 5 and equal to 6. So this is very essential, that is equation number 2. Now I can write simplify this is. Now P of x is equal to 3. Substitute for x equal to 3. Simplify, I got it 0.219, that is P of x is equal to 3. Similarly, P of x is equal to 4 in the same equation. So 6c4 will be 15. So then 2 by 3 power 2, 1 by 3 power 4, it will be 0.082. Okay, now this is P of x is equal to 5. 6c5, 2 by 3, 6 minus 5, 1 by 3, 5. Simplify, it will be 0.016. Put x is equal to 6. 6, 2 by 3, 6 minus 6, 1 by 3, whole power 6. It will be sorry, 0.001. Now go to simplify and substitute. We got it 0.318. The number of times at least 3 dies to show 5 or 6 out of 729 times. What do you mean by 729? Is capital N. So capital N into the P of x greater than or equal to 3. that is 0.138. So multiply with 7 to 9, it will be 233. Okay, what do you mean by 2333? At least 3 dice to show 5 or 6 out of 729 times. It can be shown 233 times. Okay, thank you, my dear friends.